Hey guys, in this video we're going to install some latest version of Linux, that is the Garuda Linux, and you can see from this page it is based on the Arch Linux, and this Linux distribution mostly targeted for the gaming. And you can see all what are the different desktop environments are available, like AD Plasma, XFC, like that. And the initial release you can see it is 2020, and you can now see all the details here, and we can directly jump to download this file. You can see in the download, you can see a lot of variant of this OS is available. You can see fast one, this one, and XFC also available, cinnamon also there. These are the desktop environment, and you can see these are the KD lite is there. I'm going to install this one. Okay, so click on download, then you are landed with this page. Then come down and you can see here the direct download is there. Simple click on there and you can get this ISO file is around 2 GB. Okay, so let me create one virtual machine. Here click on new. You can fill all the details like your virtual machine name, then the path, then you can select the ISO also here. Simple click on others and you can select your ISO. Once you selected this one, then in this subtype you can mention like Arch Linux, then you can come down to hardware section. You can select 8 GB of memory and hard disk you can put, then click on finish. Then you can add the network interface also. I have added two network interface. The first one net network and the second one is the static IP host only. Then start this installation. Now the installation screen is coming, so now we can, it will take the default, that is the allowing proprietary drivers. Now you can see on menu like install Garuda, so just click on that. Now the installation is started. System not booted in UFA mode, but this one, then you can select this one, then you can select your time zone, keyboard layout, default you can take, then erase entire disk, the first option, and you can put all the details of the user. Once you fill the details like normal user details and the root user details, I mean the password, then you can click on next. Then we can start the installation. Install now. It will take a couple of minutes. Now it asks for the password for the default Garuda user, so you can put the same password. Now the installation is completed, then we can start this one, I mean restart this one, then unmount the ISO. I think we need to shut down and unmount the ISO. Because the ISO is not by default data, so Click on this ISO file, then you need to remove this one. Okay, then you can start this machine. Now it is booted from the hard disk. Yeah, so the whatever password you put for the username, you can put the same password. Yeah, so by default this full screen is coming. We no need to install the VirtualBox guest edition, and we'll explore few things like command line things, how to install the packages. These are the welcome screen. You can simply click on OK. Now we can log in to normal user, then switch to root user. It is automatically sync the package from the package repo. Once this installation is completed, then we can verify few details like the IPs. Click here, 1 second. Yeah, you can see this IP1, that is the first one is the DSCP IP address. The second one I provided the static IP, that is 139, and you can update the package. Let me install some of the package, that is a Docker package, pacman-syu Docker package. Let's see whether it's able to update from the repo. Yes, put yes, and it will download is around 1.3 GB. First it update the core package, then after that it will install this Docker. I will proceed that one. Yeah, I will create another video for the Docker installation because it will take some time. Yeah, that's it about this Arch based Linux, that is the Garuda Linux installation.